New rare footage of Ramana Maharshi has been found. It seems that a millennial manifested a time traveling car and made it back to ask him one last relevant question for our times. You should watch this before someone takes it down. Hello, Ramana guy. My name is 30677XX Super Cool Guy. I'm an influencer from the future, and I'm here to ask you a question. Why, although I had my awakening when I was 12 watching YouTube, and I've been manifesting a lot of cool stuff. Like, I really love myself a lot, and everybody likes me. I have a lot of followers. So, but still, I cannot get the world to be exactly as I want. And tell me, if there is non duality, how is it possible that this happens? I am the universe. The pursuit of desires, whether through the law of attraction or other means, keeps the mind outward turned and entangled in the transient world. True peace and fulfillment comes from knowing yourself as the self, the unchanging awareness that underlies all experiences. Therefore, rather than seeking to attract or change external circumstances, seek to know the self. When you abide as the self, you transcend all desires and realize that you are already that which you seek. What? Are you telling me that I cannot have all the stuff that I want? How many followers do you have? I have more followers than you. I know better. I have more money than you. You're expecting me to be poor, half naked in a rock, hanging out without having anything? Wow, you suck, guy. You have no idea. Why? Why? You don't tell me. Why I cannot have everything I want the way I want?